How to download LocalSend. So if you want to download LocalSend, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for LocalSend. After searching, you will find the suggestions right here. You need to go with the first one, which is localsend.org, which is the official website. Now, if you want to download LocalSend, you need to just simply go with the download section, which will be in the top right, or in the middle of the page, you will have download option. Just click on the download button. Now I need to go and select which device you're using. Like for example, in my case, I'm using Windows, or if you're using your Mac OS, you can go with that, or Linux or Android or iOS. So I'll simply choose Windows, and then you need to scroll down and then you can select the binaries. Once you do that, just scroll down a bit and you'll find the download option again. You need to click on download. Just click on the exe file and then the download will be started shortly. If you get this kind of interface, just simply click on it and then go with download unverified file. It will start the downloading process. Once it has been downloaded, just double click on the file that you've just downloaded. And then you'll get this kind of interface, install for all users. You need to click on it and then click on yes, choose the language and then choose the location. Once you've selected your location, you need to go with next again, which will be on the bottom. And then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can go and create it, go with next again, and then just simply go with install and it will start the installation process. So that's how you can download LocalSend. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.